Hello and welcome to Conversational Assyrian for Non-Assyrians. This is a class that I teach as part of the Marnarse Melpana class or school that is provided by the Mariosip Parish Assyrian Church in San Jose. My name is Shemasha Asher, Deacon Asher, and we're going to have lessons that I teach in our class, weekly class, and I'm going to be recording some of these on YouTube so that they can be used by others. Now, looking at the Learning Assyrian Journey in this class, since it's for non-Assyrians, typically we just covered understanding. So I'll have the word written, and since we also cover speaking, I have the words transliterated into English. So let's get started. Hello, shlama or shlamaluch for masculine, or shlamalach for singular feminine, or shlamalochon for plural, a group. It can be a group of male or a group of females. It is still shlamalochon. My name is Shimmi Ile Asher. This is masculine. Shimmi Ila for feminine. I live in Kichayin Gu, California, or Kichayan. The yin and the yan indicate gender. So yin is masculine, yan feminine. Ki chayin gu California, or ki chayan gu California. I am blank years old. Now, there's a few different ways this can be said. We can say Iwin or Iwan, and then the age, Shinne. The Ana is not needed, but there are some who are translating from English to Assyrian, and they want to say the I. The I is Ana, but you can just say Iwin and specific number to indicate the age. So we can say like one, Iwen Cha, Iwen Tre, Tla, or you can just say Iwen 40 Shinne. They'll both be understood. And then this is the I am. There's also some that say Itli 30 Shinne, I have. So some can say I am certain years old. Some will say I have a certain amount of years. All right, these were just a couple examples. So Ishti means 6, Klai is 30. We'll do another video where we go through the numbers, but this was just an example that are in my notes. Now we'll look at how nouns are used and how different forms of the nouns are changed. So in this case, the noun that we're using in this example is shimma, name. So there are different forms, but the shim and then the m all come from the same root. So shimmi is my name, shimuch, your name, masculine, shemach, your name, feminine, shemochon, your name, plural, sheman, our name, then shemu, his name, shemo, her name. So the difference there is mu and mo. So mu is the masculine, shemu, and then shemo. And then shemei is their name. And then shemane, it's the plural of name. So this is names. Shemane. And a lot of nouns will take this form. The endings, which I highlight in the yellow, will take that same form. What you say from the root may vary, and then there's some nouns that when you go from singular to plural, they're irregular nouns, and the root will change slightly. Okay, here's an example of another root, baba. And then if we want to make this my father, we would say babi. And then your father, babuch. And then, or babach. And then your father, for plural, babochon. So the bab stays the same, and then these endings are added. Okay. Here's an example, a couple examples of irregular nouns. So above we had shimane for names, and the root was shimma. But when we look at baba as an example, father, it becomes babawate. So this extra wa sound here that's added is how it changes. And then you notice it's not a ne, it's a te. So that changes. And then in this example, singular son, as in child, is brona, what has an R. But when we change it to make it plural, the root will actually change. It goes from brona with an R to bnone with an N. Okay, and that is lesson 1. I'll continue to make these videos, and I'll put them in a playlist, and we'll have lesson 2 very shortly. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments, and I will get to them. Thank you very much.